Have you noticed how Instagram has completely changed over the last year? It's no longer about perfect photos or aesthetic feeds. Today, it's one of the biggest platforms for creators, small businesses, and freelancers to grow an audience and make real income. And here's the surprising part. The people growing the fastest aren't spending hours brainstorming ideas or editing videos. They're using AI. If you've ever wondered how some accounts post daily, grow consistently, and sell without being online all day, it's because AI is doing most of the heavy work behind the scenes. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can grow and make money on Instagram using AI, even if you're starting from zero. Let's jump in. One of the biggest challenges on Instagram is knowing what to post. AI tools can scan trends, your niche, and top-performing accounts to generate endless content ideas. Whether you make tips, lifestyle videos, or motivational posts, AI can give you hooks, angles, and formats that match what your audience wants to see. Your caption and hook decide whether someone stays or scrolls away. AI writing tools can create attention-grabbing intros and captions that match your tone. Fun, educational, inspiring, whatever fits your style. Instead of rewriting drafts, you get ready-to-use options in seconds. Reels are still the best growth tool on Instagram, but editing takes time. AI software can remove pauses, add subtitles, highlight the best clips, and adjust audio automatically. You look polished and professional without spending hours in an editing app. Carousels are perfect for delivering value, boosting saves, and increasing reach. With AI design tools, you can create clean, modern graphics quickly. They generate layouts, choose fonts, match brand colors, and keep everything visually consistent, even if you don't have design experience. Instagram is becoming a search engine. People search for skincare tips, travel hacks, budget meals, or business ideas. AI tools can find the best keywords and hashtags based on your niche and trending searches. This helps your posts get discovered organically long after you hit publish. Consistency is important, but you don't need to be glued to your phone. AI scheduling tools analyze your audience activity and automatically post at peak engagement times. They help maintain a steady flow of content without overwhelming you. This is where AI truly boosts your income. Instead of replying to every DM manually, AI chat assistants can greet new followers, answer questions, recommend products, collect emails, and guide people to your sales page. It's like having a personal sales assistant working 24/7. If you want paid collaborations, AI can search Instagram for brands that match your content and audience. It can write outreach emails, calculate your rates, and even analyze engagement quality. This makes landing sponsorships much easier, especially for smaller creators. Guessing what to post is stressful. AI analytics platforms track which posts grow your account, which content leads to sales, what your audience saves and shares, and what topics you should focus on next. Instead of posting randomly, you create with a strategy. Selling digital products is one of the fastest ways to make money on Instagram. With AI, you can create ebooks, templates, guides, presets, or mini courses quickly. It helps you write, design, and even structure your offers, making it easier to start earning with low effort. If you don't want to be on camera, AI has options for that too. You can turn your scripts or captions into videos using AI avatars, voiceovers, or B-roll clips. This makes it possible to grow an account anonymously while still posting consistent, valuable content. Collaborations are one of the fastest ways to grow. AI can analyze your niche, suggest creators with overlapping audiences, and help you send personalized outreach messages. Strong collaborations can expose your account to thousands of new people. AI isn't replacing creators. It's giving them leverage. It helps you post smarter, grow faster, and earn more without spending hours on content creation. Whether you're building a personal brand, offering services, or launching digital products, AI gives you a real advantage. Start using even a few of these tools, and Instagram becomes far more predictable, manageable, and profitable.